Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today's tea we are talking about Pastor Mporo. Pastor Mporo, there is something so wrong, but I just can't figure it out. But there is definitely something wrong. Pastor Mporo was spotted guys in public carrying this big cross. He was just walking around with it. Ufake nezaza ugayi wathi skinny jean. Uyazihambela nje estradini. And then people started taking videos and asking him what's wrong, why is he doing that. I will include the clip with the sound, guys, so that you guys can hear what he had to say and that you can judge for yourself. But nje, I ugayi, no, something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong, like the way he has been behaving lately. It's like he is losing his mind. Even the person that was taking the video was asking, "Uthi, hayibo Mporo, what's happening? Are you losing your mind? Kwenzakalani? Are you still okay?" And then he keeps on saying that he wants justice. Guys, please watch this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Okay, Mfundisi. We were far away from God, Sasigude and Unkulunkulu. He brought us closer through the blood of Jesus, through the cross as Pamba. Yeah, Mfundisi. Zonke inkinga, zonke inhlungu, all injustices, all diseases, betrayals were on him on the cross. Yeah, Mfundisi. Nami lempi le, G1, by 10, 100 million ngizonqoba ngayo uJesu. Now labantu bayavela laba baphula imoto zami, breaking my cars, assaulting my son, smashing his face, leaving bruises. There was no justice for more than 100 days. But uNkulunkulu showed up. Today it's just the beginning. So I will be live in the next 15 minutes at Prophet Mporo Times Facebook. I'll also be live on TikTok. Yes. Ngizoyinqoba ngesiphambano. Hayi ngokuthwala, hayi ngebhamu. Yes. Amaphanga were just used to unlock the butler. I never harmed anyone because I used the sword of the Spirit. You may laugh, you may criticize, but this is a symbol of Jesus. Yes. We don't have to carry. So I'm following Jesus Christ, and through him I will overcome. I'll be with you shortly.